Hey everyone, welcome back to my studio. My name's Kitty Palaskis. I'm an Australian craft-based designer and I'm here to share all my tips and tricks, DIYs and crafty ideas to help you lead your best creative life. So let's get into it. So this is a special mini-series by me and Hey Tiger Chocolate to celebrate our collaboration on their Easter 2021 chocolate range. I designed the packaging for the Easter range using my signature paper collaging techniques. And what's so special about it is that after you're done eating all the delicious chocolate, you can upcycle the packaging and use it to create a series of clever craft projects. Oop! Don't mind me. It's just so delicious, I can't help myself. So as I sit here snacking on this Hey Tiger Nice Buns chocolate bar, so delicious, I'm gonna show you how to transform and upcycle the box when you're done into some festive and adorable Easter gift tags. For this project, you'll need an empty Nice Buns chocolate box, scissors, and double-sided tape, a hot glue gun, or a Strong Bond quick dry craft glue. Just a note on hot glue guns, if you're using one, they're very hot, so make sure you're careful. The first thing to do is carefully open up the chocolate box and flatten it out. Be careful not to tear the box as you do so. Cut out the Easter egg and the little fleur-de-lis illustrations. Cut out the blue daisy strip, then cut it again into even segments depending on how many tags you want to make. Use one of the adhesive options to glue or stick a fleur-de-lis onto the bottom of each egg. Fold each daisy segment into a loop. Glue or stick one loop onto the top back side of each egg so the tag can be hung from a present. So next time you're done eating one of these Hey Tiger Nice Buns chocolate bars, don't forget you can upcycle the box into these adorable Easter gift tags. It's genius! If you like these DIYs, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment letting me know which one you tried. Stay tuned for more in this series, but until then, happy crafting and enjoy that chocolate!